Choose one of your lads. So right now, Pedro here is going to show you how to do it. And how a true sea move. How did it move? But as we see now is the special hind flippers which have not coordinating or moving or land. So we had a flip a walk, a little bit of spin, a little bit of spin, and of course roll over. I think the cheeky boy needs a big round of applause. Very cheeky. Alright, okay, so we've seen how well he moves on land. Right now, come.
Sound?
Just hang on, you guys. Just wait for a minute. Hey, what's going on? He doesn't want to swim, but he likes splashing around. What's going on? Big is scary in the pool. Can you guys see anything in the pool? No? Okay, you know what? For safety reasons, you guys take a look at that side. Go this side, okay? Come. Big and scary. There's nothing here, Pedro. Let's show how fast you can swim. A shark. You think it was a shark? You've been sitting there by now. Let's turn off the screen. That's right, you guys. That's 40 kilometers per hour as fast as a moving car. And of course, we're not going to forget his noise law. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, focus your attention to me right up there. What he's holding here is called a ball target. And all Pedro has to do is touch the ball target. Alright, here we go. And up. Watch out, you guys. We're up with some more. It's a young one. It's about my shoulder high. It's about my shoulder high. Okay, I'll pick you. Come. You're about my shoulder high, right? Okay, you're almost as tall as me. Okay, hi, what's your name? Dear, where are you from? Okay, everybody, this is Dear, all the way from India. Wow, you got so many supporters here. Okay, Dear, what's going to happen is that you are going to drop the stick into the pool, okay? So what you're going to do is that you're going to push your hand right up there and then you're going to drop it, okay? So here's the bad part about this game. So if Pedro does not get us back the stick, after the show, Vera will have to go inside the pool to get it for me. No, you cannot swim? You're going to go here. Come, Vera. Hold this. Okay, you're going to stretch your arm first. Stretch some more. Come closer. And then drop it. Okay, Vera, you're going to follow me right over here. Come. You're going to let it go down all the way down. Pedro, you got to help Vera out, please. Ready? Well, sea lions were actually trained by the U.S. Navy for rescue and search missions. One of our objects and missing body. Let's take a closer look. And he never let us down. Okay, Vera, for joining us here today, here's a very own recycling bag from all of us. Okay, a big round of applause for Vera and Pedro. Alright, let's focus our attention to the glass panels because this is what we call the glass behavior. play the game with Pedro, but not to worry, here's your chance to play little game with him. We are going to test his intelligence and self-control. So Faye is going to place Pedro right on the ground. And what he's going to do is that he's going to place a piece of fish right in front of Pedro. Now, everybody knows that sea lions, they really love their fish, but he will not touch it unless he hears a cue from his trainers, and that is a single clap. Ooh. If you guys don't believe me, you guys can try a single clap, then it's check it. Okay. You know what? I think this will work if we do this together. So on the count of 3, we do a single clap. Okay? And then stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm going strong. We try this again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Not bad, huh? But wait, Faye. I'll give you one last one. I think this is gonna work. Okay, but this last one, we gotta be loud, we gotta be clear. So all we need to see hands. Let me see your hands, you guys. Don't be shy, we don't mind. Hey! 1, 2, 3. It's just too good for us, huh? You know what, you guys? Give yourself a big round of applause. Thank you so much for joining me. You guys are so easy to train. I'm just kidding. Play now, let's go. That's right, proving my intelligence and self-control. The Pedro here knows that if he listens to the cues from his trainer, he's gonna get so much more for a job well done. Alright, coming right up is one of our favorite segments of the show. We're gonna watch how well he dances. We'll see lions and flexible necks. So with the help of your listeners, he keeps his upload on his app. But he's not done showing off, you guys, because we're gonna have a flip walk. We're gonna try this one more time, Pedro. You can do it. A flip walk, a roll over, and we're gonna end this up with a signature move. This is a flip step. Alright, let's take a little bit of detour from all the fun and games, because right now we're gonna talk about the ocean's deadliest monsters. Right now, we're talking about plastic. Unfortunately, every single year, millions of animals die because of plastic waste for the ocean. For animals such as sea lions, sea turtles, and even dolphins, mistaking them as food. They eat on it, they choke on them, and they die. Well, fishing lines and fishing nets are left behind can cause great dangers to animals. So right now, he's going to show us what happens when a fishing line gets entangled onto their bodies. But take a look, it results a broken flipper. They won't be able to swim ever again. And as for fishing nets, when they get entangled around their necks, every time they struggle, it gets even more tighter. And then what happens? That's right, it's serious, you guys. And well, for instance, for those of you guys who love going for grocery shopping, well, instead of using plastic bags, why not we switch that we use? Well, of course, the zoo highly encourage us to bring our own refillable water bottles, which is why all around the parks we do water coolers or water stations for you guys to refill them. But remember, you guys, a little goes a very long way for these animals. But not to worry, for those of you guys who do not have any of these items, all of our retail stores sell them in many different kinds of designs. So we have learned on how to reuse our items, reuse our items. Right now, he's going to show us a very simple way on how to recycle. Well, we're picking the item up and go into the nearest recycling center and we remember, you guys, reduce, reuse, and of course recycle. If Pedro can do it, so can all of you. Well, this is not the end of the show just yet, you guys, because right now we're gonna put a streamlined body into test in and out of the waters, and this is what we like to call My name is Nat. My song name is Tiny. Thank you for joining us here at Black Safari. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I have a couple of announcements to make. First of all, for those of you guys who do have your number cards or the photo cards for the scene or photography session, please remain in your seats first. Well, for our staycation guests, please remain in your seats and do wait on your facilitators to guide you all from here. Well, for the rest of you guys, please do exit out from this amphitheater in